Hi, parents and family members. It's me, Mr. Scott, also known as Teacher Scott. And today I just wanted to kind of review a few things that we talked about in the past here. Our first then chart, which is really helpful in what we use at school in terms of studying the deal with all the students, and it gives them a better understanding of what they're doing first, and then what they're earning, and then how many smiley faces they're going to need to earn that item. So, for example, once again, I'm going to write down first writing, and then what we're going to earn here. So in my case, I'm going to put down, we'll go healthy snack here, grapes, just like that. And so what you're going to do throughout this activity is give them smiley faces while they're working on a certain task right here. And I've talked with a few parents. Sometimes you're going to have some activities or tasks that are harder than the others, and you can actually pre-fill in some smiley faces on here. So for instance, if you had like a tough task, like sometimes writing's difficult or math, so what I would do then is maybe, depending on the activity here, I might start out with 4 smiley faces already on there, and then they can just have to earn 4 more to access whatever that they're working for right there. So this is a great thing to kind of show them throughout, hey look, we're almost done with the activity, doing really good. All you need is X number of smiley faces to earn whatever item they've chosen there. And in addition, this week I've sent home a timer with everybody. So this works really well at school as well, and something in the home I think would be really beneficial. So once they've earned access to maybe a favorite toy, or they're watching a video, basically you would let them have access to a certain amount of time. In school we often let them have access for about 2 to 3 minutes. So we'd set the timer, and when the timer went off, they would often request more time if they weren't ready to transition back to an activity. That's something that we've worked on a lot. And so what we would do is, if they ask for more time, we'd grant them 1 more minute with their favorite toy or video or whatever they're accessing, and then they would transition back to the activity. So if you're having to help them through it and prompt them, often we would give them like 30 seconds of extra time. So the idea is to increase the independence of the requesting of more time. So both of these things, the smiley face chart and the timer, are really helpful when working with your kids. So once again, I'm always available to help you more as needed. If you're having difficulty with this process or need some more help, please feel free to contact me anytime. I hope it helps out. Thanks.